Saturday I wish the car had AC. So I get up early this morning and it take me long to actually like get up because I say I just carry the car for a drive and I keep saying I want to go Maracas, just to drive Maracas, not to drive hard or anything, but just to drive down Maracas where you can just enjoy the scenery, you know, with COVID, everything locked down and all that jazz. So I just go down. I have nothing planned per se vehicle wise today. I mean, I have like work to do with two clients, so I don't even know what this video gonna be, but I just sit on my public camera still and run it. It's such a strange time to be alive because it's just the world getting weird. Not only with COVID, but obviously people around here, like 1 minute you're here and the next minute it could be not. So you just have to give God thanks for every day you wake up and not be too discouraged by what going around. I mean, it's harder. Trust me, and I mean everybody know why I went through, and it's been hard, but I try to push through, and that is why I end up waking. I said I'm gonna go because it does never know. It does never know. And for everybody who going through it, because we all going through it together, just try to stay strong and you know, whatever you know that is make you happy or like a healthy distraction, I would say use it. A healthy one, no unhealthy. I would say drifting is both healthy and unhealthy. It's healthy for your state of mind, but unhealthy for your bank account. So obviously I had to come race track because I was just checking over all the tires. We had to do a little something, so the tires have a little wear. I see one of the valves looking a little weird, so we just went and changed one of the valves there quick. And I mean, how could I not say thanks to Racetrack too as well? Because there's always help more with the tires. The giveaway. Because how Boosted gave my hand with the whole gearbox situation, I want to transfer that hand onto Olia, because if it wasn't for Olia, that would not have happened. So in order to qualify, I'm going to pick somebody by random. You need to go follow Boosted and comment on the video that they have with the Golf. It's a nice long video with, he gave you a whole build breakdown of the Golf, right? Some nice rolling shots. Check out the video. Follow them on Instagram. I'll put their social media account. Follow them on Instagram. I want to say follow me on Instagram, but like, as long as you tag me, because you need to leave a comment on that video and tag me in the video. And out of all those who tag me, I'll go pick that person. And I mean, like, subscribe to the Kerry-Drift channel. And the giveaway prizes are $50. There's 2 prizes. So I hope one person don't have both, but I will pick some person. I'll pick one person for the PS and one person for the Xbox. So again, like a gift card, that would $50 US. So they could go play game, whatever, I don't know. Right now I'm playing 2K because I'm missing basketball. I kind of ease off the forcer because then I'm going to start to feel like I'm missing one of you. I had to pick a struggle. Remember that. Running in the background. Anytime we have any issues and you have to come race track, ask for Ronnie first. So I reach I thought it was gonna rain, but it'll hold up good. It's always nice just to bring the car up and, you know, just kind of stretch the car legs, you know? Yeah. About the lookout, Maracas. For those who know, you're gonna know the area. Let me just take a new view. But it's time for a drive, right? I think it's time for a drive. Have a little debris from the rain from before. Yeah, I ain't really here, no. I mean, the tires are not grip in any case, so I don't know what I was expecting. But I can't grip through the corner as I want to. Trying to keep the boost low and I'll shift lock in the true. Plus it, and that is 30% throttle. Basically a rev matching now, so you just heel toe and you know you're still within the power band. So basically a TLC for the RT325J. Like I say, in terms of the prize giveaway is a PSN card, $50 worth, and the Xbox Microsoft card, whatever it is called it, $50 worth. In order to be a contender, you need to go and follow Boosted, because Boosted really helped me out. The Sana Lifeline with regards to the gearbox, and you know, that would not happen without y'all. So I said, let me just extend that lifeline to y'all. But y'all have to go and follow them, and they have a video with our golf. Like the video with the golf, and comment and tag me, right? And I'm gonna use that to see who, you know. I'm gonna put a social media account, all the jazz and things. So yeah, so looking to leave Maracas, park up. I might have to pass a racetrack to check one tire there, and good vibes only.